Friday. I fell asleep last night on the video uploading and I had a headache. I told you guys I had a headache. I had a really bad headache. So I took some Tylenol, and after the Tylenol kicked in, I just crashed even with my video uploading. So I'm gonna post that tonight, and then you guys are gonna get this for Saturday. But I am braiding my hair, and this is the length of my hair. It's been 2 years since I big chopped my hair, and this is the length of it, so not bad for 2 years. And I'm gonna put these braids in for 3 months, then take them out, and then keep braiding my hair, because my natural hair is like extremely thin and it doesn't do well with heat and cold, so it breaks if it's just very fragile. I got really fragile thin hair, so I have to maintain braids at all times to retain length of my natural hair, or else it will break off. So I started at 5 a.m. Rob woke me up and he was like, if you're gonna braid your hair, please do it early, because he has plans for us later on, and he doesn't want to come home and I'm still like fiddling with my hair. So he's like, go ahead and get it done. I'm gonna curl the ends of this. This is a different style of braid. This is the braids that I've been using forever. If you guys remember, way back in the day before I had Maddie, these are the braids that I use for my hair, and it just comes like this. It's just like this, and of course I cut it in half. I cut it in half, and then I kind of like mess with it till I get it how I want it, and then I just put it in my head. And yeah, so now I gotta go through and cut the little fuzzies off, cut that off, and then curl the ends and be done. And this is like a mix of this is a 99J, so it's like red with a little bit of black in it, and I love this for the summertime. But anyways, I'm gonna go finish. I'm also doing laundry, and the kids are somewhere outside playing. So let me finish this up so I can go spend time with them. I forgot, it's almost 11 o'clock and I've been doing my hair since 5. So I am like, I just got this little bit left to do. So I'm gonna go knock that out. Hopefully by 1 o'clock I should be done. So let's see. Hey guys, so it's a little before 3 and my hair is like all done. I just have to do the ends, and then I have to clean up because my husband is on his way home. That's how long it's taken me, because he woke me up to do my hair before he left out, and he's coming home and I'm just now finishing. So it's all done. I'm cute, and hey, it's worth the time and effort to put in my hair. So I'm gonna go curl the ends and then come back and show you guys what it looks like. I'm all done. I'm all done. I love when I can knock out something.
Like I was saying before, my sister rudely interrupted me. Congratulations to her and her husband. They just closed on their house today, so I know it's an amazing feeling, because we were excited when we closed on our house. Rob is working on my stairs down here, because when we built the deck, we didn't add the risers going up the stairs, and we still have to put a vinyl piece right in here, the little lattice situation on that side, and we still have to finish staining the deck. But all in small little doses, because, you know, I got kids, still got a life to live. And that tree right there, I think it's dying. I think it's dying. It died. What? You can tell I'm Jamaican. I think it died because all the leaves came off of it, so it's looking a little bare. But Rob was like, because we had it right here, that spot, and then we moved it because our dog was peeing on it every time he came out. He was peeing on it, so we moved it there. And plus it was growing into the deck, so we moved it. And now that we moved it, I'm gonna get copyright like her. So when we moved it, now the leaves are all gone. See, it's bare. Leaves are falling off. But I like that tree. So now we're probably gonna have to replace that tree right there. And Maddie's just out here barefooted. But my hair's done. I'm thankful hubby woke me up early to get it done, because I would still be struggling with it had I got it done on my time. I haven't worn my hair like this in a long time. And I think I like it. I've always gone straight, but I like the curls for the summer. And it's a decent length. Hi, Curly Sue. This is the original Curly Sue. Hi. What? What, you stinker? What, you stinker? All right, get down. So, I'm going to hang out with Hubs. And I'll see y'all in a little bit.
Mr. Rob spoils me, okay? Because he came home and you saw he fixed my stairs outside. And he took me to go get my favorite Long Island iced tea. Love it. Love it. But we got there, they only had 2 cans. And I'm like, that's not going to get me through the weekend. He asked the guy, and then they called the guy back, and then the guy just he came back, it was like, there's no more back there. And we drove really far to get it, only for them to only have 2. So I just went ahead and got the next best thing, which is a peach and mango and a screwdriver. So yeah. Anyways, update on my mom. My mom just had, oh my gosh, there's a big pimple in my forehead. You guys couldn't tell me that there was a big, like, but Rob and I are gonna hang out. I don't know what he's doing. Baby, what are you doing? Mind my business. Okay, that's what he's doing. He's rude. Rob is very rude. You guys don't know that about him, but he's very rude. Hey, baby. I got a big pimple right here. He couldn't tell me I had a pimple. I'm walking around here thinking I'm all cute with this big old thing on my forehead. Like, how did I get it? How did I get that?
You didn't see it yelling?
See? Meanie man. You're mean. So, I'm going to go hang out with Robbie. And then hopefully Robbie can give me something special later. You going to give me something special later? We're going to edit that out.
That's why I needed you to get away.
Shut up. Bye. Anywho, guys. Went to Target yesterday. Well, I told you guys that I found this one at Hobby Lobby. And the one that I really, really want has been sold out for decades now. So I just settled. This one is, I like this one. I like this one. I like both of them. I got this one from Target. This is the Earth and Hand Demi-John. This one is Hobby Lobby. And the one that I want is from, I forgot what website, but it has like the little scallops on it. So pretty, but it's sold out. Sold out. But if I get that one, that will complete the collection. Like, I just want another small one. And then I'm done collecting these things. I love this trampoline because you get exercise. Still being a kid. Wait. Okay, go. That's it. Come here. Wow, come here. Huh? I know. I almost fell through last week. Go, Maddie.
Collapse. Say hi, Gia. It's like 8 o'clock at night. And Rob is just getting turned up. I'm tired because I've been jumping on a trampoline. Jesus, my heart is like pumping. Is that you singing? Yeah? So, it's Friday evening. This is what we do every single weekend. Maddie's singing. Get it, Leah. Get it. Get it. Get it.
Oh, look at you. You're one of my best sons ever.
Anyways, I gotta go before I get copyright.
Such a long day. It's like a minute before 9. So I'm gonna have these kids go take a bath and call it for the night.
Sí.
I think I'm gonna have Destiny give
No, está bien.
Destiny Madison a shower.
Sí, sí,
And,
sí. Yo pienso que sí.
Get them inside for the
¿Y a Wendy
night.
qué le van a hacer?
I was talking to
¿Qué le
his
dieron a
parents,
Wendy?
so it's
¿Antibiótico?
really loud. Boys, go take a shower, please.
Ah, okay.
Thank you.
Hold on. Wait, hey,
First.
say bye to grandma.
Say bye to grandma.
Se van a ir a bañar.
They're
so
gonna
te van
go
decir
take a
que
shower. Maddie, come on, you gotta go take a shower. Come on. Stuck on me trying to come in.
chao. She said she loves you and she misses you.
You got stuck? Come on. Come on. You got stuck. You boo-boo. Here. Tell grandma.
Say bye, Maddie.
Tell grandma bye.
She's
Tell
acting
grandma
serious.
bye.
Okay, hold on.
Maddie, say bye. Good morning, guys. I'm so tired. Last night, Rob and I stayed up. I think it was like, I don't know how late it was, but we were out on the deck partying. And Rob and I are bad together, like seriously bad together. But we don't need anyone to have fun. The two of us, that's it. Which is so sad. I don't know why it's like that. We can turn up by ourselves. But anyways, that's beside the point. It's morning now. I just had a little bit of coffee in me. I need it. It's like 5 something. But Rob want to get a head start on the staying in the deck. And then be done for the day. Because I'm not dealing with the sun and staying out there. So I'm going to go paint or stain the deck. And I'm going to see you guys in a little bit. But good morning, guys. I hope you guys are having an amazing weekend. And I will see you guys in a little bit. So I painted all of that white part right here. And I stopped right there. Rob did all the edging of the deck boards because we're going to roll it. And he's working on the skirting down there. I'm done. It's cold. It's like extremely cold. And I want the sun. But the sun ain't coming no time soon. It's just right there. It's chilly today. And I don't want to be out there. So, got my jacket on. Got my sweatpants and everything. And I'm still like freezing. I don't like to be cold. Ooh. I'm gonna go sit on the trampoline.